convert 1 day into seconds. So unit conversions are interesting. I'll start by just explaining identity multiplication. So if you multiply any number by 1, like 4 times 1, it's going to equal 4. If I multiply any number x, let's say, times 1, it's going to equal x. If you multiply things by 1, they stay as what they are. And unit conversions are multiplying things by 1 a bunch of times to turn them into the same thing that looks different. So for instance, let's take a look at the quantity 60 minutes over 1 hour expressed as a fraction. Well, 60 minutes is an hour. So this is just 1. This is the basis of unit conversions. So if we want to convert 1 day into seconds, we basically want to multiply it by 1 in just the right way, just a few times, in order to get the units from days to seconds. So we got to kind of step our way down. So let's do that. 1 day times, let's see, how many hours are there in a day? Well, there are 24 hours in a day. So 24 hours divided by 1 day. Again, that's just 1 because they're equal. Times, how many minutes are in an hour? Well, 60 minutes are in an hour. So 60 minutes over 1 hour. And then we need to ask, okay, how many seconds are in a minute? 60 seconds are in 1 minute. So these, let me get a different color. As I showed above, these are all just 1. So I haven't changed the value of 1 day. I'm just multiplying it by 1 in a very special way, a bunch of times, to make it look the way that I want it to. So when I put the equals sign here, you can see that I'm multiplying 1 day by 24 hours over 1 day. Okay, the days cancel. Great. Next, hours cancel. I wrote them differently, but same unit. Next, minutes cancel. And hey, look at that. I'm left with seconds. So I stepped my way down across units whose conversions I knew, and I ended up with seconds. Now I just need to do the math. So 1 times 24 times 60 times 60. I'm just going to use a calculator for that real quick. The answer I get for that is 86,400. So I would write 86,400 seconds. And that would be my answer. It's just a quick overview of unit conversions, what it means mathematically, and how to go through the steps.